Hi there. Today we're going to be talking about the Gravity Forms Power Automate add-on and how you can install it into your WordPress dashboard. After you purchase this plugin, you'll be able to download it as a zip file. You can access the download at any time by going to reenhance.com, logging into My Account, and clicking on Downloads on the left-hand side. You'll then see this orange button for the WordPress login. This will download the zip file for you. Next, we're going to move over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to plugins. We're going to add our new plugin and select the file that we just downloaded from the re-enhanced My Account page. Then we're going to go to Install Now. Once it's completed the installation, we want to activate the plugin. Now that the plugin's been activated, we need to add our key. So I'm going to click on Settings on the add-on that we just added to your WordPress. And we're going to add that license key again. That came from your email. You can always access it on your My Account page at Reenhanced in your order if you need to get it. I'm going to click Update Settings, and then that's going to authenticate and add my license key to the add-on. So we're almost done. There's just one other step we have to do, and that's on the Forms side. So let's head over to my forms within my WordPress dashboard. You'll need to create a feed before your data can be sent to Power Automate. Here's my form, and I'm going to go to Settings and then Form Settings. Once this loads, we're going to navigate to Power Automate Integration. And very simply, we're going to click this Add New button. So that's adding a new Power Automate integration feed. I'm going to click Update Settings. And now the form has been configured, the feed has been created, and we're ready to rock and roll. Once your feed has been created and activated in this way, your data will be sent to Power Automate on any form submission. And I'll just show you one final thing before we conclude today, and that's the Edit button underneath this integration feed that we just turned on. There is one thing that you can add if it is a good use case for your company and how you're using Power Automate, which is to enable conditional triggering. If I check this box, I can tell my form to only send submissions to Power Automate if they match a certain condition. So you're welcome to come in here and add conditions if that's a good use case for you. Stay tuned. Our next video about our Power Automate connector for Gravity Forms is going to be about actually configuring your flows within the Power Automate interface.